Today paired gains to close near its day's lows. Nifty gave up 7,900 and ended the day 0.4% in the green. The Sensex tumbled 150 points to the day's highs, but managed to close 0.5% higher than Bank Nifty, and the mid-caps underperformed compared to the benchmark indices and closed 0.1% higher in trade. Sonia Shenoy is standing by to decode the markets further for us. Sonia, a volatile day of trade to say the least.
Oh yes, and it was a disappointing day for the bulls, because at one point we were up about almost 1% and the market quickly gave up all of its gains. So the Nifty came off about 60 points from the highs of trade, and the Nifty continues to face very stiff resistance at the 7950 to 8000 zone. So that's something that continues to be a hindrance for the bulls. The cash market volumes were quite high though, sitting at more than 17,000 crores. Now just to give you a list of a few gainers in trade today, private sector banks continue to do well. So names like HDFC, you had Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, that all ended in the green, up about 1 to 3.5%. Technology stocks like HCL Tech and TCS also did well today. However, you did have some pressure come in from heavyweights like Reliance, HUL and Tata Motors, and that actually kept the upside of this market capped. So as you can see, all three stocks ending in the red today. In the mid-cap space, we had strong earnings coming in from the likes of Motherson Sumi, Volta, Symphony. Of course, Symphony came in for profit taking, but the earnings impact on the other two was quite good. Sun TV has been the big stock of the day in the mid-cap space, as the DMK is all set to win the elections in Tamil Nadu according to the exit polls, and if that comes through, it will be a positive for Sun TV. Some stocks sitting at fresh 52-week highs as well. Names like India Bulls Real Estate, you had Havers, Ujjivan, all sitting at fresh highs, so looking quite good over there. And on the downside, you had a profit-taking seen in the sugar space. So Triveni Engineering came in for profit-taking, down about almost 7%. And Bharat Forge, on the back of weak numbers, that stock too was under pressure today. The outlook that the management has given is quite weak as well. But all in all, you'd have to say a decent day of trade, volatile, but we did come off from the high point, and that was disappointing.
All right, Sonia, thanks for joining in with that. But let's take a look at commodities.